2027 Jeep Renegade marks a highly anticipated refresh for the compact SUV, with two distinct strategies depending on the region: a significant mild hybrid facelift for Latin American markets and a completely new successor, electric and hybrid, planned for Europe. Stellantis has confirmed the development of a completely new Renegade replacement on the STLA Small platform for 2027. It will be designed as a major rival to the Dacia Duster, with hybrid and 100% electric 4x4 variants and a very competitive starting price of €21,550. In regions like South America, the current Renegade receives a complete interior redesign, adopting 10.1-inch screens similar to its larger siblings, and turbocharged powertrains with 48 volts mild hybrid technology.